Siyempre, unang-una magpasalamat ako sa Panginoong Diyos. Thank you po sa lahat din ng mga fans, sa lahat ng suporta sa amin. Nagpapasalamat kami. Sobrang saya namin ngayon, sobrang saya. O yung taga-private, I love you! Yung mga anak ko, I love you! Rika, Ralph, I love you! I love you!
Alright, nandito naman tayo, Paul, our daddy, Paul. Go ahead. First, thank you sa kay God, first championship namin.
Anniversary sa mga mensahe ko!
Binigay sa amin. Thank you sa lahat ng sumuporta sa amin, sa Nike, sa lahat. Thank you very much sa support nyo.
Sa David! Sa David!
Alright, Richard, Richard.
Nagpapasalamat kami siyempre kay God. Binigay niya sa amin yung championship na to. Matagal na namin iniintay. Salamat sa lahat ng fans, sa lahat ng suporta nyo. Sa mga fans ko, sa family ko, sa mga taga-Bulacan, taga-Antique, San Jose.
Alright, punta naman tayo dito. Assistant Coach Ronnie Magzano. Coach! Coach! Okay. Coach Ronnie, medyo malamig. Coach, ano yung feeling na nanalo na ngayon ng championship as an assistant coach compared to being a player?
Masarap talaga ang biba. Very thankful kami, saka very grateful dahil sa dami ng dinaanan namin, sa dami ng pagsubok, yung Chunky Giants nagpatunay na talagang it's a solid team. Saka para kay Eugene talaga to. We dedicate this victory para kay Eugene Teada sa kanyang family. Saka sa family ko, kay Bing, kay Eliana, kay Mika, kay Katrina, nakatikim din tayo. Ang pogi kasi nito.
Alright. Thank you, Coach. Peter Jun Simon.
First of all, gusto ko... God is amazing, grabe. Thank you, Lord, for your grace and mercy, Lord, for this championship. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat sa mga taga-Makilala, North Cotabato. Maraming salamat sa mga prayers niyo para sa inyo itong championship na to. Thank you so much. Sa lahat ng taga-Makilala, I love you. God bless you all. Thank you to my Dali. Sa family ko, sa tatay ko, thank you, Tay. Sa sister Neneng ko, sa brother Anthony ko, thank you so much. Sa lahat ng taga-University of Mindanao, thank you so much sa suporta nyo. Thank you for sa lahat ng suporta na binigay sa team namin. Yes, my best friend, Adrian Mamba. Thank you so much, Fred. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Alright, thank you, Peter Jun Simon. Ngayon naman, Ray Evangelista. Ray, ang dami mo nang pinanalo. Gano'n ka iba itong championship ito?
Lahat ng panalo, ang sarap. This one, galing kami sa 3-1, so talagang ang sarap nito manalo. All Filipino pan, ang pinaka-prestigious na title. Gusto kong pasalamatan. Siyempre, the Lord, He answered all our prayers from day one. Pinagdadasal na talaga namin na mag-champion. At saka yung family ko, ang wife ko, Eileen, and the kids, and dad and mom ko, saka mga relatives ko sa Ormoc, at saka sa Talibon, Bohol, at saka sa Agno, Pangasinan. Thank you sa inyo. Thank you sa mga prayers, mga fans. Thank you.
Alright, thank you, Ray. Coach Ryan. Coach Ryan.
Okay. Coach,
Ang lamig! Coach, your turn.
Again, maraming salamat sa lahat ng taga-suporta at naniwala na makakaya namin ulit. At sa lahat na nagmamahal sa Pure Foods, this is just a start of something big for us. And don't always forget to pray to the Lord, because the Lord really can move mountains.
Alright, thank you, Coach, and congratulations to the Chunky Giants. Back to you guys.
All right, the usual wet celebrations at the locker rooms, and we'd like to give you now our best player of the game, Coach Norman.
Well, it was an easy one in this particular game. Kirby Raimundo had a great game. Of course, James Yap also scored a lot of points, but Kirby Raimundo was dominant throughout, 27 points, 14 rebounds, 10 out of 17 from the floor, and he really took advantage of the fact that he had smaller guys guarding him in this game.
All right, big game here for Kirby Raimundo. And we'd like to bring you back our second panel. I wonder if they're still here. Miko and Coach Scott.
Ay, dito pa kami.
Dito naman.
Oh, at least dito tayo nababasa, Sean.
Yep, we're safe.
And, well, Sean, we always hear every time in an All-Filipino conference they say this is the most prestigious of all PBA championships. Why is that?
Well, you know, like the commissioner said in his speech, this is the tournament where it's all up to you. You don't have any help from any import, which we know a lot of times is hit and miss. It's really sariling kayod, kaya napaka-prestigious. And, you know, for me, it was just fitting for Pure Foods to win this All-Filipino Championship because it's an organization rich in All-Filipino heritage. But tonight we saw the passing of the torch from Alvin Patrimonio, Jericho Dinera, Jojo Lastimosa, to now Kirby Raimundo, Mark Pingris, and James Yap.
You are revealing your age, my friend. You are waxing sentimental
No, I just
now.
started very young. I started young.
Okay. Okay. Ito, papasadahan natin yung tinatawag na Circle of All Filipino Champions, the Circle of Winners. And you see the number of All Filipino titles on the rightmost column of your screen. And there's Pure Foods with 4 All Filipino titles. Certainly that's an impressive number.
Yep, right there. Tied with the most number of all Filipino titles with San Miguel, Crispa, and Great Taste.
Toyota should have probably won more.
Coach Chartres, and certainly you have the supporting players from the entire Filipino nation for the national team.
Yes, and congratulations to our chairman, Eli Capaccio, and also to our commissioner, Noli Ayala. And they had a great year this year. They came up with a lot of creative, innovative things.
That's right.
Here in the PBA, the fans really took to it. They came out and supported the league, and it was a great year.
Well, looking forward to even better things to come. October 1 po mag-uumpisa ang susunod na season ng PBA. We hope to have you with us. Sa ngalan po ni Coach Norman Black at sa lahat po sa amin dito sa ABC5, ako po si Ed Picson. Damo ka salamat sa iyong tanang kasangkayan. Congratulations, Pure Foods. Congratulations sa Red Bull. Good night. See you around.